Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, like so, and here you'll find a bunch of toggles. Now the power saving toggle is visible right off the bat right over here, but if you don't see it by default, you can swipe down in this area, and this will extend the list as you can see, and also add the name for these toggles. Here we have the battery saver. You can click on this, and as you can see, this enables dark mode, reduces the brightness, and does some other things in the background which aren't mentioned here. So that's it. It also changes the battery filling right here to signify that it is running right now. Once you're done with the power saving mode, you can find this toggle once more and simply tap on it once again to disable it, and this will revert all the changes. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.